We're going to end this chapter with a very short exercise to demonstrate some modifications we can make to the Hello World program. There's not a lot we can do because this is such a short and fairly simple program, and also I want to save some of the technical details of things to other chapters where they're more appropriate. But let me just explain how we can modify this program to change not so much the way Hello World looks, but how to display it. One thing we could do is only print one part of the phrase per line. So we can write system out print to print hello, and then we can add system out print line world on a separate line. Save the program, bring our DOS window up, clear the screen, Java C hello world.java, and then Java hello world. And so notice that we get the same result even though we split the phrase into two lines. And you have to be careful when you do that, because if you put print line for both of these, what you're going to end up with is hello on one line and world on the other. Let's compile that program again, and then let's run it. So you see that print line always, after it prints its argument or the string or any data, it doesn't have to necessarily be a string, will automatically drop down to the next line before it prints the next piece of data. Be careful about using print line like that. Something else we can do, and this will be our last modification, is split the strings up into two pieces, like this, using something called the concatenation operator, which looks just like the plus sign, because it is a plus sign. So let's compile and run that program. So first we save. Let's clear the screen, and we'll compile it, and then run it. And that's probably enough for this one exercise. So in this chapter, we've learned how to create a program, entering it into the text editor and saving it, then compiling and running, and then we've also seen how to work with errors that occur, and then I've shown you variations of how to print data to the screen. In the next chapter, we're going to begin getting into the nuts and bolts of Java by talking about data types and variables.